up, guys? It's Zach with HalfPace Outdoors. Let's see how we make some wine bottle bird feeders. This one's my wife for Mother's Day. Okay, so here's the idea. Full bottle of bird seed.
And he started wooing her and told her that he was related to the mayor of New York City and was a relative of a judge in New York, and that he was a practicing doctor. And in other words, he was everything Victoria Woodhull wasn't.
Maybe it was because of these famous connections that Buck decided to ask him to treat Victoria, and his first prescriptions seemed promising enough. A healthy diet, school lessons instead of seances, and regular walks in the fresh air. On one of her walks, though, Victoria ran into Channing in the street. He asked the girl to come to him to Mount Gilead's 4th of July picnic. She agreed and sold apples by hand until she had stashed enough money. Benjamin Hatch's too. And to put a punctuation,
If anybody has an interest in
they
these,
spent the third night of their marriage.
I will have about
Soon enough, Victoria was a teenage wife without love.
15 of them for sale in the Etsy shop in about a week. So be sure to check there. Alright, talk to you guys on the next one.
By the middle